This 5-minute solution will show you how to play Fortnite with Xbox controller on mobile. First of all, you have to turn on the Xbox controller. Once it's turned on, you have to enable Bluetooth option or Bluetooth pairing. To do that, tap and hold this little button for 3 to 4 seconds. And now go to your mobile, and now you have to turn on Bluetooth first. So go to your phone settings and go to Bluetooth settings and turn on Bluetooth, and here you will get Xbox wireless controller. Tap on it to start pair. Once it's connected, as you can see, now I can control my phone using Xbox controller. Now all you have to need, just go to your Fortnite game or Epic game and start play a game, and you will be able to easily control your game using Xbox controller. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.